Well, welcome to Beans, Brews and Bread. June harvest for some potatoes. Let's go and see what we've got in terms of first early, shall we? Let's have a look. We've got the first two rows, which were the early potatoes we added with Maris Bard and I think Home Guard. But don't hold me to that. All the homes have started to die off now. We didn't get masses and masses of green growth compared to other people's first earlies. Maybe able to post a link to the video where we planted these in was it March, maybe end of March, beginning of April. We covered them with fleece. I don't know how great a yield we're going to get because we've had a very dry spring. I have given them a water when I can, but as we go we'll see how we do in terms of yield. I'm not massively convinced we'll get a lot, but we'll see how we go. I thought these were supposed to be first earlies, not main crop. Look at the size of that. One big bad spud. It must have put all its energy into just growing that one big bad boy. There's nothing else in there. For what that first row lacked in quantity, it's certainly not lacking in quality, because this is the kind of size that it's grown. There's been very few individual tubers, but the ones that have grown are absolute whoppers. The biggest one is that one there. That's a new potato, apparently. They're great. Very thin skinned, no blight, no scab that I can see. Only lost one to the fork, that one unfortunately. But they're great. Some nice decent new potato sized ones there. God knows how I'm going to prepare those as a new potato. Imagine getting one of those each in a potato salad. Anyway, let's see if the next row has done any better. So this one's the British Queen. Let's see how this one's done. Oh, these are a much better size and quantity. Size. Yeah, these are much more like new potatoes. Not a bad yield, you're sort of getting that many more or less from each plant. Again, nice decent size for new potatoes compared to the other ones. Yeah, but these British Queen done really nicely. There's only a few of those on this particular row. The rest are on the new plot and the lazy bed trial. But I'm really happy with those. That's not bad. We'll take a couple of Vivaldi now, which are second early as well. We'll see what they look like. And that's the Vivaldi, second early finished. Or at least that little bit on the row anyway. A few monsters. Not that many, there's only 3 or 4 plants on that row, but in general, I was looking about that many in terms of yield. So nice size, not massive yields to write home about, but not too bad at all. Quite happy with that. Not bad for a couple of rows of early potatoes. I'll do us a few dinners. Thanks for watching today on Beans, Brews and Bread on the first early potato harvest. If you've liked what you've seen today, then give it the thumbs up. If you've got any comments or possible suggestions, maybe increase yields for next year, maybe just increase the watering, give it a good fertilise, who knows, and write down in the comments below. If you'd like to be notified of the next content, then just press subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Cheers, bye.